everyone, welcome back to Lana Decor. Today we are creating winter vignettes that blend old and new in the coziest way. Think thrifted treasures, time-worn textures, and clean modern pieces styled together so everything feels intentional. If you love warm winter corners, candlelight, and simple DIY decor that looks collected, you are in the right place. In winter, the smallest surface can feel like a whole story. A tarnished silver tray brings the honest beauty of age, while a matte white candle adds a clean, modern calm. I love how dried cedar, tied with simple linen string, looks both collected and intentional. The mix of soft glow and quiet texture makes the room feel slower. It is not about perfection, it is about warmth and contrast. Found objects make the best winter containers. An old wooden toolbox already carries history in its scratches and worn corners, and that is exactly why it works. Fill it with clear glass ornaments and frosted branches, then keep everything else around it simple and modern. The result feels fresh but grounded. This vignette reads like a winter welcome, practical, cozy, and a little nostalgic, without becoming heavy or cluttered. A stack of vintage books is instant character, especially in winter when home feels more reflective. Their faded spines create a warm base, and the modern ceramic house on top adds clean structure. Then comes the thrifted brass deer, slightly patinaed, catching the light like a small treasure. Together, the shapes feel balanced, soft and worn, crisp and new. It is a quiet vignette that feels like a winter chapter waiting to begin. A frame with chipped paint already has a soul. Instead of hiding the wear, let it be the feature, then pair it with a modern black and white winter print. That contrast makes the old feel intentional and the new feel elevated. This is an easy way to refresh thrifted art without losing its charm. The vignette becomes a bridge between eras, imperfect texture around a clean, minimal winter scene. A vintage cake stand brings height and old-world elegance, even if it is slightly tarnished. Add a modern clear cloche, and suddenly the whole piece feels like a curated display. Inside, pine cones dusted with faux snow create a winter moment that lasts all season. I love how glass and metal bounce candlelight in the evening. It is classic and modern at once, like a winter centerpiece with museum energy. Winter decorating can be quiet, especially in the bedroom. An old alarm clock adds a touch of time-worn character, while a ribbed glass vase feels modern and clean. Add one sprig of evergreen, and the vignette becomes peaceful, almost spa-like. The contrast is gentle: rounded vintage metal, crisp contemporary glass, and natural green. This is a reminder that seasonal styling does not have to be loud to feel special. Brass always looks good in winter because it reads warm, even in a cool palette. A thrifted brass candlestick with patina feels collected, and a modern charcoal taper candle makes it feel current. When the candle is lit, the flame softens the contrast and turns the whole vignette into a mood. Keep the surroundings minimal, so the shapes can speak. This is a small styling move that instantly makes a space feel intentional. A vintage mirror on a mantel doubles the light and multiplies the atmosphere. Pair it with modern pillar candles for clean lines, then soften everything with a garland made from foraged twigs and subtle berries. The old mirror brings depth, the new candles bring simplicity, and the natural elements tie it to winter outdoors. This vignette feels balanced, not themed. It is winter, but it is also timeless, like something that could stay up all season. A worn breadboard has the kind of warmth that new decor cannot fake. Use it as the base for a winter centerpiece, then layer modern minimal bowls on top. Fill them with ornaments, dried citrus, or cinnamon sticks for texture and scent. This blend feels casual but elevated, like a winter table that welcomes people to linger. The old wood grounds the scene, and the clean bowls keep it fresh and uncluttered. A vintage suitcase already suggests travel, memory, and layers of life. In winter, it becomes a beautiful stage for cozy textures. Add a modern chunky knit scarf, a small lantern, and a few pine sprigs, and suddenly the suitcase feels like a seasonal vignette you can almost step into. The best part is the contrast. Worn lining next to fresh knit, old hardware beside soft candlelight. It feels like winter nostalgia, reimagined. Winter entertaining looks best when it feels both polished and relaxed. Vintage crystal glasses bring sparkle and tradition, while a modern marble tray adds sleek structure. Tuck evergreen clippings between bottles, just enough to signal the season. The mix of cut glass, smooth stone, and soft green makes the cart feel aired. This vignette is not just decor, it is an invitation. It says, "Come closer, pour something warm, stay a while." Thrifted stoneware pitcher has quiet weight, with a matte surface that feels handmade. Pairing it with a modern abstract sculpture creates a striking contrast in form and finish. In winter, this pairing feels especially calming. Minimal color, strong silhouettes, and subtle texture. Add a few bare twigs or soft greenery, and the vignette becomes like a small gallery moment at home. It is proof that old and new do not compete, they complete each other. Winter decor can be cozy without being heavy, especially in the bathroom. An old apothecary jar brings vintage charm, and modern minimal labels make it feel neat and fresh. Add a sprig of eucalyptus, and suddenly the vignette feels like a winter spa moment. Glass, clean typography, and soft greenery create a calm palette. This is the kind of styling that makes everyday routines feel slower and more intentional, even on the coldest mornings. Lighting is everything in winter, and a thrifted brass lamp base brings instant warmth. Top it with a modern linen shade for a clean, updated silhouette. Add a small stack of books and a simple candle, and the corner becomes a quiet retreat. The old metal and the new fabric balance each other beautifully. This vignette feels like comfort with structure, soft light, calm textures, and just enough seasonal greenery to connect the room to winter outside. Nothing says winter like texture. Old wooden crates on the hearth feel practical and rustic, while a new chunky knit throw adds softness and comfort. Stack birch logs for a clean, graphic look, then place a simple lantern nearby for warm glow. The blend is honest: worn wood, fresh yarn, smooth metal and pale bark. This vignette feels like a winter cabin, but modern enough for a clean home. It is cozy, grounded, and timeless. Vintage lace brings delicate pattern that feels like winter itself. Use a lace doily as the base, then layer modern plates and a clean-lined vase on top. Add thrifted silver ornaments sparingly, letting the shimmer act like snowlight. The goal is softness, not clutter. This vignette feels airy and calm, perfect for winter when the world outside is quiet. Old lace adds romance, modern shapes add clarity, and together they create a peaceful table moment. That is it for today, and now you have plenty of ways to blend vintage character with modern winter simplicity, using what you already have and what you can find secondhand. Small details like texture, height, and warm light make each vignette feel complete. If you enjoyed this cozy decorating session, please like the video, subscribe for more decor ideas, and leave a comment telling me which vignette you want to try first.